Behold, golden sculptural rice towers with a crisped base and a crown of velvety egg yolk, or perhaps a skillet of tender, fragrant tomato egg sauce that simply melts on the palate. Welcome to the sanctuary of Cooking Tips 5S. In those moments when hunger strikes and the wait for delivery feels far too long, why not embrace the bounty already in your refrigerator? With a humble bowl of leftover rice, a tin of fish, and a few farm-fresh eggs, we can conjure two incredibly swift, convenient, and soul-satisfying breakfast delights. Dish 1. Canned fish and molten egg rice, bird's nests. Our first culinary endeavour is an exquisite way to elevate simple, cold leftover rice into a gastronomic masterpiece. Let us begin. We start by meticulously dicing onions, vibrant red and green bell peppers, and crisp carrots into uniform jewels. Igniting the stove, we grace a skillet with a whisper of oil and gently sauté these aromatics until they reach a state of tender perfection, releasing an intoxicating bouquet. Next, we prepare our base of leftover rice, folding in the sautéed garden vegetables. We carefully separate our eggs, introducing the silken whites into the rice mixture, while reserving the radiant yolks in a petite vessel. Finally, we incorporate a tin of savoury fish, using a spoon to rhythmically fold the ingredients until they marry into a cohesive, flavorful blend. We pack this mixture into a small bowl, pressing firmly to create a structured form. Laying a fine mist of oil onto a skillet, we gracefully invert the bowl, allowing the rice to slide out as a perfectly rounded sculptural tower. With the gentle pressure of a clean bottle cap, we create a delicate indentation at the summit of our rice tower. Into this cradling hollow, we nestle a single, brilliant yolk. We introduce this to the heat, ideally around 200 degrees Celsius, watching as the yolk transforms into a supple, jammy custard, while the rice base beneath achieves a magnificent, shatter-crisp golden crust. Dish 2. Silken tomato-kissed scrambled eggs. For those craving a rustic, soul-warming sauce that perfectly complements a steaming bowl of rice, this rapid-fire skillet dish is your answer. We bring a pot of water to a gentle boil, lightly scoring the skin of our tomatoes with a cross-shaped incision, before blanching them to reveal their pristine flesh. Simultaneously, we crack 3 farm-fresh eggs into a bowl, seasoning with a dusting of cracked black pepper and fine sea salt, whisking them into a luminous golden ribbon. After retrieving the blanched tomatoes, we peel away their skins and finely chop them. The alchemy. Gloss the skillet with oil and introduce the tomatoes, using a spoon to gently break them down until they melt into a vibrant crimson reduction. In a separate skillet, we pour our eggs, stirring with a delicate hand to ensure they remain pillowy, soft and moist, never allowing them to lose their ethereal tenderness. Gently fold the soft cooked eggs into the crimson tomato reduction, allowing them to mingle and absorb the balanced symphony of tangy and savoury notes. A final sprinkle of emerald green scallions adds a vibrant pop of colour and a fragrant herbal finish before we whisk the pan to the table to be enjoyed immediately. As you can witness, there is no need for laborious preparation or the anticipation of a delivery. With the familiar staples always resting in your kitchen sanctuary, a few clever techniques can transform your morning into a warm, nourishing celebration. May your meals be ever delicious and effortless, and do not forget to follow Cooking Tips 5S as we uncover new culinary inspirations together each day.